Hello, my name is Agent Maroon from St. Albert Public Library, and this is Spy School. Today, we're making a paper hand. Sometimes spies need to grab things on the go, and they don't want to leave their fingerprints behind. So, to get around that problem, they make paper hands to grip things for them. So, let's check out what we'll need. For this craft, you'll need a piece of paper, a few plastic or paper straws, scissors, a marker, something to write with, yarn, glue or tape, and there you have it. First, lay your hand against the paper. Draw around the shape of your hand. Cut out the shape of your hand. Then, cut as many straws as necessary into 15 smaller pieces for the fingers. Cut as many straws as necessary into 5 longer pieces for the palm of the hand. Next, glue or tape 3 smaller pieces onto each paper finger. And then, glue or tape 5 longer pieces onto the palm so that they are running in line to each other. Finally, cut 5 long pieces of yarn and run a piece of yarn through each finger. Then glue or tape the string to the top of the finger. So, this is how the craft works. Basically, it mimics how your hand really moves. You see, there are tendons which attach to your muscles and they run through your forearm up to your fingers. So, when those tendons shorten, your fingers bend. Just like how the yarn lets the fingers bend on your paper hand. And that's all we have for today. Thanks for joining us. Agent Maroon, over and out.